Hey guys, so today I have got the next gingerbread coffin box to show you. So for anyone that's not seen me open this before, it is an American box. It's $34.99, so dollars, but they do ship it worldwide. I think it's about $10 extra to ship it to the UK, which is then 45, so maybe like £37, something like that. And the import tax is included in that, so you don't get charged any extra when it gets here, which is great. I do have a coupon code, which I think still works, which is LunaLily for $5 off. So I will put that here on the screen and in the description as well, in case you want to use that if you're going to get it. But yeah, we are just going to open this and see what's inside. I'm not actually sure what month box this is. I know the theme is strange and unusual, so hopefully it says inside what month it's for, because I'm kind of like lost now. With everything arriving late and stuff, I don't actually know what's what, but I will let you know in a minute. So in here there is a little card. Now usually I don't read these, but this one's pretty cute, so I'm going to quickly read it out. It says, "There are so many gorgeous Gothic babes in pop culture who have acted as role models and Gothic goals since childhood. Everyone from Morticia Addams to Elvira and Lily Munster have provided inspiration and fashion goals, but none have spoken more clearly to our strange and unusual souls like the young Lydia Dietz. When life is one big dark room, we all need a black candle to light the way, and young Lydia, with her dark style and fearless, sarcastic attitude, stops us feeling utterly alone. So grab your camera, your handbook for the recently deceased, and your best veil, and let's get ready for showtime. Just don't say that name 3 times. He may be the ghost with the most, but we don't want him turning on the juice. And remember, never trust the living." So that's pretty cute. You could definitely use that in like a little photo frame or something if you're into prints and stuff. And there's also another one in here with the little no feet ghosts on it. Again, could definitely be used in a little frame like a print. This is just the like card that tells you what's in the box, but I really like these this month, so that's cute. This actually doesn't say what month it is. I would assume it's probably the August box, but obviously it can't 100% say. Like I said, strange and unusual is the theme, and the total retail value, it says, is $63. It also says they are vegan friendly and cruelty free, which I don't think I've mentioned before, so that's nice to know. Now, the main item in this box is damaged, so I'm just going to get that out of the way and show you first. It's very, very cute. It's this like metal water bottle. So it's black with a cobweb on one side, and it says, "I myself am strange and unusual" on this side. But as you can see, it does have a big dint in it here from the post. Like the postman must have just knocked it around or whatever. I did contact her about this and she said she would happily send me another one. I said it's fine, I don't need any more bottles, but I was just kind of pointing it out because it's hard to miss really, the big dint. But yeah, that is our first item. It's got like a little keyring on the top, which is very cute, and it just unscrews. This is one of those bottles where it keeps like your cold drinks cold, your hot drinks hot. I really love this cobweb side. I think that's actually my favourite side, the cobweb one. But that is the first item anyway. Then next we've got a little lollipop, which is very cute. We have a pin, which I absolutely love. It's just a little Lydia. She's got like a little cape on her shoulders, which looks like a cobweb. Very, very cute. Then next we've got a crystal. So this is a big chunk. You pretty much always get some kind of gemstone crystal, something like that in these. This one is a Smoky Quartz. Like I said, very big chunk. It's a little kind of more dull and raw on one side, but then the other sides are very glass-like. So it says, "Do you want protection and grounding? Smoky Quartz crystals are some of the premier grounding and anchoring stones. These stones are strongly protective and are excellent stones for all of us to keep within our aura at all times. If you are a spiritual worker such as a clairvoyant, you may take advantage of this stone's ability as a stone of psychic protection. They are highly beneficial healing crystals for you to use to both protect you from negativity and transmute the energy by grounding it back down into the earth. If you are on a spiritual quest and have been working on any of your metaphysical or psychic abilities, it is possible you may have become ungrounded. This stone is purposed to solve that, as it will bring you down to earth quickly. So that is our Smoky Quartz. Sorry if my voice sounds like it's going. I feel like I'm getting a cold, so that's great. But next we have a little necklace, which is kind of like a frame design, and it says strange and unusual in it. Not my kind of necklace personally, just being honest. I know a lot of people will love this, and it is like quite well made. It's super heavy, and the chain is actually kind of nicer than I thought it would be. I don't know if that's going to show up, but it's like metal, like links, like a little circle link kind of thing. So yeah, really cool, just not something I would probably wear. You could definitely change it into a keyring or something though, if it wasn't your sort of style. So there is that. And then we have two more items which I think are my favourite items. So the first one is this big candle, and it says, close your eyes and step into her world where your whole life is a dark room, one big dark room. And the candle is called Lydia, and the scent is dark musk, cedar, jasmine, amber, sandalwood and mandarin. It also says vegan friendly and cruelty free on this, but this smells absolutely amazing. I recently got a wax melt in my witch casket, which was amber and sandalwood, and it was one of the best things I've ever smelled. This smells pretty much the same. Like, I absolutely love this. If any of you have smelled Paco Rabanne 1 Million, the aftershave, it sort of smells like a sweeter version of that. Like, so nice. It's also got these little charms hidden in here. I can see that this one is a camera. I'm not sure what this one is, but obviously as you melt it down you get these cute little charms out that you can put on stuff, maybe like a bracelet or a keyring or something like that. So very cute. Smells incredible. Like, I don't even want to burn it because it smells so good, I just want to keep it. But this is like a big chunky candle, so that is that. And then the last item that we have in here is this, which is the handbook for the recently deceased little pouch. It says 100% vegan and it's handcrafted exclusive. So this is like a little, well, you could use it as a makeup bag, a pencil case, whatever you prefer really. And it just has a zip, and it's plain inside. Very cute. So that was everything that was in the gingerbread coffin box, I think, for August. I'm gonna get everything together again and show you it all at once. So there was the handbook for the recently deceased little pouch, the big Smoky Quartz, the strange and unusual necklace, the Lydia pin, the Lollipop, the big drinks bottle, and the candle. So all of these things in this month's gingerbread coffin. So like I said, I'll put all the info down below for them in case you want to go and check them out, and I'll put my discount code in there and stuff as well. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.